TFNN. Headline News Update.
This is Larry Pesavento for TFNN, and listening to Roller Coaster Central on Bloomberg today with the Dow up 500 points and then down 200. But I posted the chart here, the NASDAQ, as it was on New Year's Day. When they were doing the Globex trading, you'll notice we made the beautiful ABCD pattern, and then we rallied all the way up to hit the 382 this morning, with the NASDAQ up over 300 points. It since went down and made a new low on the day. That is a very negative sign, in my opinion, for two different reasons. I'm going to post you something that I saw from our good friend Rich Anderson, and it basically shows, hold on there, let's make sure I find the doggone thing. There it is right here. It shows the number of times the December stock market has made a new high and then closed lower on the month. And it happened on the 24th, 2014, 1993, 1986, 1968. And every single one of these, the market was down sharply more after that time. One of those happened to be a crash. It was a mini crash in 1968 related to the Tet Offensive. But the main thing that was also important is on a day before a holiday, if the stock market, the Dow Jones, does not close higher, that means there was a 76% chance that it should close higher on the day before that day. So the day after that day, which would have been today, there was a very strong probability, 75%, that it was going to be down. And at one time, the Dow was up 400 early in the morning. And I have to show this to you folks that like AB equals C, because you probably would like this, but there it was right there. Right there at 43.26, the high was 43.236, and we've come down and we've went down below the lows already. So another sign it's down a couple hundred points from that point. Whether this means very much or not on a short-term basis, I'm not really sure, but we've had quite a few of these things, jumping around that pretty interesting. Also, folks, we have some really important things to talk to you about the foreign currency markets, folks, because we've hit some big things coming up here in foreign currencies. Unfortunately, the only one that I had this morning was the one in the euro, because here's where we were till last night, and you can see there was the first 382 retracement. There was a second one off of this one, and of course we went down and we did make new lows. We got these things to talk about with the currencies, folks, big things happening, and hopefully we'll be able to cover them when we come back from break. So we'll see you all in a few minutes.